Okay, so I'm going through the crossover. Basically, I'm recapping them. There's probably capacitors on here that I really don't need to worry about doing, but I'm just going to replace them all. I've changed the capacitor on the super tweeter circuit. I'm going to leave the resistor at the moment. I will change it, but the chances are its value will need to be different. I'm hoping to keep this circuit the same and make any adjustments to integrate it actually on this, because I've had someone else inquire about this conversion because they have the same problem. So I'd like to do a retrofit version of this, which has a network on the back of it to work with the existing. So yeah, I'm using TSE polypropylene capacitors. My go-to is Solem. I actually quite like these. They have a nice sound to them. Yeah, and I've got tons of them, so that's what I'm going to use on these. So I've done this one. Also replaced this resistor. Like I say, this one I'll do when I tune the super tweeter circuit to integrate it in. So I'm going to put the camera on time lapse, do this one, and then we'll check the old components afterwards. New wiring going on this as well, because this stuff is steel, so I don't want that on there. So yeah, let's get cracking. I've done that one obviously. I just want to show you these as well. I know I showed them earlier, these B200s. So this is the SP1039 version. Look at the condition of that motor, that magnet. I mean, these are immaculate. Absolutely beautiful. Very, very pleased. Like I say, I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep this pair of speakers. Unless they sound dog poo, obviously. Right, so both crossovers are done. All but tweaking the super tweeter circuit. So I just want to have a quick look at some of these old capacitors. Alright, I want to look at these first. I'm not entirely sure what they are. As in what type. They're 4.7 microfarad. .693, and the ESR is basically 0, so they must be, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with them really. I'll try and find out what they are for next time. .7, bang on. Well, 4.701. Yeah, very nice. Right, these should be 4.7 as well. I think these are a polypropylene or polyester capacitor. 4.5. .57. Yeah, so these are all okay. I did mention that I kind of expect them to be. These sort of things don't really degrade like electrolytics. Yep. 4.46. ESR is 0. .713. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so a lot of these there was no reason to replace. Right, let's have a look at this 10 microfarad electrolytic L cap. .8. Yeah, so what's that, 20%? Same again with this one. .09. The voltage loss across these is quite high. So we'll look at this little Erie 2.2. Two. These little .47s. Again, I'm not really expecting there to be any issues. 0.419. .474. Yeah, so other than the L caps, there really wasn't any need to replace these. If I find these in basically perfect pristine condition, I do keep some of these, because some repairs are just client wants to keep everything original, and if these are okay, there's really no reason to replace them. There might be one or two that are damaged, so having a stock of used, tested, measured, perfect components is quite handy. Righty-ho. So new wiring is now on here. So our input, super tweeter and woofer. I haven't replaced the iron core inductors on the woofer circuit with air core like I normally do. I may revisit that. But yeah, and also I would probably replace this inductor with an air core, because that's in the critical signal path on the tweeter circuit as well. That's the shunt inductor for the third order high pass part of the tweeter circuit, and that inductor is the shunt inductor for the second order super tweeter circuit. So yeah, I'll see. I know I normally do that sort of thing, but I'm obviously coming back to this to tweak the super tweeter circuit, so I may do that. Anyway, ready for the next bit. Pretty sure I've shown you inside these before in the previous video. I just wanted to show you the bituminous felt that's lining this box, and with some open cell foam, and just what it does to the panels. It just deadens them and pushes any resonance low, whereas bracing can push it up. This is something I've tried to replicate in my HA designs, and I came up with this system, which works brilliantly. So neoprene rubber with open cell 25mm foam glued to it as well, so that also provides more panel dampening, because we don't want to listen to the box. nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yep. I think that works. Still can't get over the condition of that. It's so good. Okay, so I'm fully expecting to have to take that apart again to make adjustments to the crossover, but for the time being, that's where I'm going to end this video, and that's where the next part will be, yeah, integrating this new tweeter, super tweeter.